Dude, they sent me a freaking laptop. And this! Alright, hi, what's good guys? Sorry, I got a bit too excited right there. So very recently, I got an internship at Agoda. Impossible. And they sent me like all this stuff in this bag, which is inside this backpack that is a freaking laptop. Bro, Agoda is way too much. Alright, but today I'm not here to boast. I was a bit mind blown. So in this video, I'll give you a few tips on how I got an internship at Agoda. But first, let me go nerd mode here. Alright, ready. Oh yeah, if you've never seen me before, I'm a second year engineering student at Chulalongkorn University, focusing on computer and electrical engineering. Damn, I really look like a nerd with glasses. So there are like three main things that you have to get ready if you're looking for an intern. The first is obviously your portfolio. The second is interviewing skills. And lastly, you should be able to show off, you know, what you got, you know, like are you able to do the job? Because as for Agoda, I've applied for the front end team, which is kind of like software engineering, basically coding, and I've got to show them a live coding session, you know. So yeah, get your skills ready. Alright, so let's start from the beginning. So at the beginning of this year, I kind of feel like I want to intern somewhere, and Agoda feels like a great place to start because it seems fun, it seems legit, it's well known, and I feel like it provides me with a sufficient experience as a developer. So I applied to Agoda online and I sent them this beautifully made portfolio. Thank you, PittPt, for helping me create a portfolio. So in a portfolio, what you would need is, first of all, separate clearly the core concept. I mean, if you're into like both business and developing, you would want to create a portfolio just for coding stuff or a portfolio just for business stuff. Or if you're integrating the two, you can like combine them. But what you would need is to list a few projects, a few major projects and experience that you've had before. And if you don't have them, just kind of make them up and like make them sound good, you know. Like for example, in my portfolio I have one college project which is already required to do, and I use Python, and it was like data analytics and it sounded good, so I throw it in there. And the other two is a legit internship. Yeah. Next up, you would need an education, where do you school, and then you would list the core skills that is related to whatever you're applying. For example, for a portfolio, I would list HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, GitHub, Node, MongoDB, and all those coding nerd stuff. And this is my thing, you know, I list lateral skills, like side interests that could potentially help my portfolio stand out. And I think I listed marketing and content design, visual effects and editing, and digital arts, NFT, graphic design, all those jazz. And the last two, which is equally important, which is communication. What language you speak? So I have Thai and English, and you also need the contact as well in case you got the job and you would want them to contact you somehow, right? So yeah, that's like my scratch up portfolio. I did not know that it would got me to an Agoda front end team. Yeah, once I've applied, they emailed me telling me that I have an interview, and then I quickly called my friend and I was like, dude, what do you need to do in an interview? Like, I have no experience whatsoever. And he was like, chill bro, you got this. Just know how to code and watch some YouTube videos on how to act in an interview. And that's pretty much what I did. I watched a couple of YouTube videos literally like minutes before the actual interview. So don't do that, guys. You gotta prepare more than that. Alright, next up in my interview, I got three main sections. The first 15 minutes, they were like introducing the staff and stuff. After the first 15 minutes of introduction, I have a coding challenge, which I have to show them live coding via, what's it called? Code Signal. They have a prompt for you, like a question. You have to kind of complete the challenge. Like, you don't have to actually complete it, you just have to finish as much as you can and they will evaluate you on that. It's pretty much testing like if you have enough knowledge to kind of work with them. And lastly, the interview. For intern interviews, they're like quite chill, you know, they ask you like life questions and stuff. And what I've learned from this in an interview is that you don't have to act all smart and stuff. You just like gotta vibe with the interviewer, you know, just be you, be fun, get to know the interviewer as well, you know, because at that point as an intern they pretty much know that you have enough knowledge you know, after the coding challenge. And after that, pretty much what they look for is, would they want to work with you? Can you like vibe with them and stuff as an intern? Do they want to teach you? So yeah, that's what I did. I asked him a bunch of questions about where do you go after work? Do you drink? Where could I go if I don't get this intern at Agoda? And he was like all cracked up about it. I have no idea why. Yeah, you get the point. Just like vibe with the interviewer. One more tip, be sure to know everything you put in your project section, because they will ask you, what the frick is this thing you put in your portfolio? And the interviewer told me that I'm just asking just in case you don't know what you put in your portfolio, because there are people who does that. So yeah, be sure to research first what the heck you put in your portfolio. Alright, yeah, hope for the best. The interviewer don't watch my YouTube videos. He would be somewhat disappointed, but I survived. Alright, so that's it. My internship actually officially starts tomorrow. That's like my first official legit internship in my life. Damn, what a milestone. Let me show you what they gave me. They gave me a backpack, welcome set, water bottle, mask, a portable bag, a back tag, an alcohol spray. Pretty cute. Oh, they also have a sticker at the back. I just saw this. This cool ass internship card. I think I would go into the office someday. You know, I think this is like for the office. And of course, the laptop. I would still be using my Mac though, but still, it's pretty cool. As an internship, I did not expect this at all. Whoop. I forgot to show you, they also give me an Agoda pen as well. And I'm not using my MacBook because you would need Agoda's laptop to connect to Agoda's VPN, which has access to Agoda's GitLab and GitHub, which my Mac cannot do. And because Windows is more compatible and efficient in using C#, I guess. But there goes my MacBook. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna let you get back to the thing. So yeah, a little bit more details for those who want to know. I'm interning for about a month and a half. The internship is online, but you can also go into the office as well, which is what I'm definitely going to do, because this is like once in a lifetime opportunity to like go mess around in Agoda's office. Like, who would give that up? And yeah, let me know if you want a vlog on a day as an Agoda internship life kind of thing, you know, just comment down below. Or do you want me to vlog in Agoda's office? I'm definitely down for that as well. Yeah, hope you get something from this video. I'll see you around. Peace.